I'm Chris Crone and I'm part of the ASUG leadership team. I'm here today to tell you about a series of one-day events ASUG is delivering across North America focused on cybersecurity. This is one of the hottest topics in the news and in our organizations. Attendees will hear about ways they can secure not only their SAP systems but their entire enterprise. Which skills should they consider to have in their company versus which skills should be with partners? What's the impact on enterprise environments now that they're a combination of cloud and on-premise solutions? And what might be the impact of GDPR regulations as they come into effect in May? What will you take away? Insights, some nuggets of information, questions that can start conversations in your own company, and a new network of folks who are thinking just like you about this topic. Please go to asug.com, register for an event in a city near you, and I look forward to spending the day with you on this important topic. Thank you very much.